A man can never be a woman's equal in the spirit of selfless service with which nature has endowed her. A nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the souls of its people. God is, even though the whole world deny him, truth stands. Even if there is no public support, it is self-sustained. If we are to teach real peace in this world, and if we are to carry on a real war against war, we shall have to begin with the children. All the religions of the world, while they may differ in other respects, unitedly proclaim that nothing lives in the world but truth. Man becomes great exactly in the degree in which he works for the welfare of his fellow men. A religion that takes no account of practical affairs and does not help to solve them is no religion. The moment there is suspicion about a person's motives, everything he does becomes tainted. The moment there is suspicion about a person's motives, everything he does becomes sustained. God, as truth, has been for me a treasure beyond price. May he be so to every one of us. Let me repeat this. God, as truth, has been for me a treasure beyond price. May he be so to every one of us. Those who say religion has nothing to do with politics do not know what politics is. There is a higher court than courts of justice, and that is the court of conscience. He supersedes all the courts. An ounce of practice is worth more than tons of preaching. A small body of determined spirits, fired by an unquenchable faith in their mission, can alter the course of the history. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. If I had no sense of humor, I would long have committed suicide. It is health that is real wealth and not the pieces of gold and silver. An error does not become truth by reason of multiplied propagation, nor does truth becomes error because nobody sees it. When I admire the wonders of a sunset or the beauty of the moon, my soul expands in the worship of the Creator. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. This beautiful quote. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Truth is by nature self evident. As soon as you remove the cobwebs of ignorance that surrounded it, it shines clear. There is nothing that wastes the body like worry, and one who has any faith in God should be ashamed to worry about anything whatsoever. Always aim at complete harmony of thoughts and word and deed. Always aim at purifying your thoughts, and everything will be well. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from indomitable will. Anger is the enemy of non-violence, and the pride is a monster that swallow it up. Intolerance is itself a form of violence and an obstacle to the growth of a true democratic spirit. I do not want to foresee the future. I am concerned with taking care of the present. God has given me no control over the moment following. Each one has to find his peace from within, and peace to be real must be unaffected by outside circumstances. I object to violence when it appears to do good. The good is only temporary, the evil is permanent.